Hey guys, I'm here with the VacLife air compressor, portable unit, really small, looks like an old Zach Morris cell phone. It's kind of like the joke going around the house. But it's really cool, compact, really powerful unit. So let me show you some of the functions really quick. One, you got the air hose here. It's nice and short. I like it like this because you can put it on the valve, like on your car tire, and just kind of like hang it there. Doesn't have to be on the ground. Pretty sturdy in terms of the construction and everything. But let me run you through the functionality. So you got your power button here. If you tap, it's going to turn the unit, like the air compressor, on. That's going to turn it off. If you press it again, if you hold it, it's going to turn it off. And if you hold it again, it's going to turn the unit on. Okay. And then you've got the function here, which will show whether it's going like basketball, if you can see that, bike, motorcycle, car, and then I'm not sure what that one is. I'm assuming that's the most powerful though, because it's going that way. But it's cool because it remembers each one of your PSI settings as you go through each one of these, which I really, really like that. Also like that it goes in half increments. So 35.5, 36, 36.5, most of them are full increments between the numbers, which is really, really nice. You got a light on top, so if you hold this button, it's gonna show you the light. Let me get it to reset here. Let's see. Oh, sorry, you don't have to hold it, you just press it. So there's the light, and then does that red flashing light. So you can do that if you've, like, you know, you're on the side of the road kind of thing or need help or whatever. Slow red, and then off. So great unit. I pumped up some bike tires, some car tires, works awesome. Just wanted to do like a run through of it though. I'll do another video of it actually being used on a car tire here in a minute. Thanks guys.